In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the features available at manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to seamlessly incorporate custom HTML into your Wix site. Whether you're a novice or seasoned designer, these simple steps will help streamline your creative process to further enhance your website's functionality and design. To begin, we first need to navigate to your Wix dashboard at manage.wix.com. This is your central hub for managing your site's core details and settings. Once there, click on the Setup icon. Think of this as setting the stage for your creative work, laying a solid foundation upon which you can build. After setting up, head over to editor.wix.com. Here, you'll enter the creative space where the magic happens. Toward the left panel, you will notice an option called Add Elements. Click on this feature, as it's your gateway to adding and customizing elements ranging from text to media and so much more on your website. The versatility lies in its simplicity. Whether you are starting from scratch or updating existing content, this is where it all begins. Next, focus your attention on the option labeled Embed HTML and click on it. Embedding HTML code is your ticket to personalization, allowing you to incorporate features that aren't natively available. This includes custom forms, third-party applications, or even interactive widgets. Remember, adding these can greatly enhance user interactivity and experience on your website. With the embed function open, you'll be presented with a few options. Click on Website Address. This step is crucial when you want to embed external URLs directly into your page. It's incredibly handy when you want to link to another website or display content from a web page in real time within the confines of your design. Now, in the provided field, type in the URL you wish to embed. Accuracy is key here, ensuring there are no typos or errors in the address so that the content links correctly. Take your time to verify the URL before proceeding to minimize any hitches. After entering the URL, click on Apply. This action executes the embedding process, effectively integrating the external content into your web page. You should see your content appear or your link becoming functional almost immediately, reflecting changes in real time. Once satisfied with how everything looks, spot the X button and click it to close the HTML settings. This step clears your workspace, so you can continue with the design or other adjustments on the page without clutter. Finally, never forget to hit Save on the editor's upper right side. Preserving your work ensures that all changes are secure and prevents you from losing your hard-earned progress. Saving frequently is an excellent habit to cultivate, especially when making substantial modifications. And that's it. By following these steps, you've proficiently embedded custom HTML into your Wix website. Keep exploring these features and continue enhancing your design for a creative and engaging user experience.